Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your private key of your Web3 wallet on OKX. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address or phone number and your password. After logging in, tap on the wallet option at the top and this will show you your currently selected wallet underneath the search box. Tap on the drop-down menu alongside your wallet and then tap on Manage Wallet. Now within your wallet, you will see your accounts underneath your wallet. Tap on the three dots alongside your account and you will now see the private key option. Tap on Private Key and then tap on Continue. You will now see the warnings to not share the screen with anyone else. You will also be told to store your private key offline for security. After proceeding with both of the warnings, by tapping on the I understand button, you can now tap on Backup Private Key. Just provide your biometrics and now you can view the private key for the various different cryptocurrencies by simply tapping on them. There will be a privacy protector that you can bypass by tapping on the eye icon. You can press the copy button in order to copy this onto your clipboard as well. After this, you can just make a manual note of the private key and make sure that no one else has access to it. And there you have it. That is how you can find out your private key on the OKX Web3 wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.